students, in this some trigonometric questions I am explaining. Okay, so tan phi is equal to 1, then find the value of phi. So how to do means tan of phi equal to 1. So 1 when you will get means tan 45 equal to 1. So both sides same trigonometric ratio means we can compare the angles. Okay, tan phi equal to tan 45. So phi equal to 45 degrees. So phi equal to 45 by 5 means, so phi is 9 degrees. Okay. So next second one. So we have to take the LCM. Denominator is 1 plus cos phi sin phi. So sin square theta plus 1 plus cos phi whole square. Sin square phi plus, if you take LCM, 1 plus cos phi whole square equal to 4. So then we simplify by using a plus b whole square. So denominator as it is. So which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 cos phi. So sorry, 1 plus cos phi into sin phi. So cos square phi plus sin square phi equal to 1 by identity. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 cos phi by 1 plus cos phi into sin phi. So 2 if you take common, 1 plus cos phi, 1 plus cos phi you cancel. 2 by sin phi equal to 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos. That implies sin phi equal to 1 by 2. When you will get 1 by 2 means when sin is 30 degrees. So phi value is what? 30 degrees. Okay. So next question. Next question is this. Okay, 7 cosecant theta minus 3 cot theta equal to 7. So 3 cot theta I transpose to RHS. 7 cosecant theta minus 1. I took 7 common. So here I am multiplying both sides, cosecant theta plus 1. So cosecant square theta minus 1 is 7 cot square theta, because by identity 3 cot theta into cosecant theta plus 1. Okay. So cot theta, 1 cot theta cancel. 7 cot theta equal to 3